What is up, y'all? We have a project bike I haven't shown y'all yet. This is the DB007. It's an Apollo. We pulled the engine out of it and stripped all the tank and plastics and whatnot, but we're gonna pressure wash it now. And then we're gonna tear this thing down to basically nothing and paint the frame, subframe, maybe the swing arm, repaint the front wheel from where it's been painted before. It's all chipping. And then repaint some of the back wheel probably, if we can get the sprocket and stuff off. I'm also gonna try to clean up that sprocket that's on it. But yeah, that's our plan. So I'm gonna get the pressure washing it and I'll come back then. Alright, the bike's all clean. We already took off the subframe, but now it's time for the tear off, which I believe I'm gonna do a time lapse of. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, as you can see, we have the back swing arm and subframe off and shock all laying out. Now it's time for the front end, which things will be a little bit harder since there's nothing to counterweight it. So, the bars are ready to come off, and then over to the front wheel, suspension. This is basically down the frame other than the triple clamp. But yeah, then we'll have to go pick up some paint and see how colors we're doing. Also sand down all the rust and get the rest of any dirt that's left on it for pressure washing. Yeah, we'll get back to the time. Done. It's just now a frame. I'm gonna have to tear down or buy new steering bearings because this one's real loose and going bad. So I don't want to go bad later after I sell it. So, but next is figuring out paint colors. I'm gonna have to repaint this rim. That's what we're gonna get to doing soon. So probably gonna glue up the parts inside and go get the paint. Alright guys, we got a nice coat of primer on here. You can see that's where the tag is for the VIN number and stuff I covered up. But, yeah. So we'll give this a little bit of time to dry. We'll probably bring out something else to paint and try to somehow hang it on here as well, but without messing up this paint, and get it primed. So yeah. It should take 30 minutes to dry, and then it should be done. Alright, subframe up as long as the main, as well as the main frame. The main frame is probably close to dry, and the subframe I literally just put primer on it, so yeah. But it feels almost like it's starting to rain, but I can't tell. So if it does, I'll have to move this into the garage and be done for painting for the day. So yeah. Alright, here's the finished product. We're waiting for the clear coat to dry, but that's what the main frame's gonna look like. Then we will move on to the subframe and handlebars, priming them up. Alright, we have the top triple clamp and subframe painted. Went ahead and got those done. So now I just wait for be able to do clear coat. Alright, clear coat is done. I'm probably gonna wrap up the video here because well, I don't know why, but I'm gonna wrap it up here because I have more things to paint and I always feel like doing them right now. So yeah, assembly will come whenever everything's painted and I finish some of the engine work I'm gonna do on it. Stay tuned for that video. Peace.